I'm loving the change. I'm loving being in the classroom. First of all, for my personal reasons, my body is not under the pump anymore, so to speak. Yet I'm still able to do my trade. I'm still able to share my knowledge, which gives me a lot of satisfaction seeing the next generation being able to become electricians. The support that I got from Fortress was absolutely amazing. Every time I needed an answer or an email was sent, there would be a quick reply or an assessment would be marked in time. I really felt that I was supported through this time. I would hardly wait a long time, probably a day or two maximum, that I would wait for my assignments to get marked. And it really made me excited to know that every time I would submit an assignment that would be marked in a timely manner, because obviously time matters in today's world,